He started out as a traditional Navajo jeweler, and learned a lot of the trade from my great grandfather. So he learned the old, ways of making jewelry, silver jewelry, the techniques pre-machinery. So, back when they were just heating it up over a fire and using, different mallets and whatnot to kind of form the jewelry and everything. And so he learned the really old ways of doing things and then did that and still does that every once in a while, specifically for his grandkids. But had really evolved into becoming more of a contemporary jewelry maker and still involving a lot of ideas and stories of kind of Navajo traditions, but just kind of seeing them in different ways. And I think that's why that's been such a big influence to me, is that he was kind of able to evolve his practice while keeping the foundation very traditional, but also, making something that was uniquely his own.